understood our first topic, how to balance a chemical equation, isn't it? Today we are going to study types of chemical reaction. There are mainly 5 types of reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and the last one, oxidation and reduction reaction. The first one, combination reaction. A reaction in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants is known as a combination reaction. Let us discuss one example. It is there in your textbook, activity 1.4 in page number 6. Take a small amount of calcium oxide or quicklime in a beaker. Slowly add water to this. And after, we have to touch the beaker. Here, calcium oxide combine with or reacts vigorously with water and produce slaked lime. Slaked lime is also known as calcium hydroxide, and after this reaction it releases a large amount of heat. In this reaction, calcium oxide and water combine to form a single product, that is calcium hydroxide. So it is an example for combination reaction. Equation CaO plus H2O gives CaOH twice. In this activity, a large amount of heat is evolved. Reactions in which heat is released along with the formation of products are called exothermic chemical reaction. So most of the combination reactions are exothermic reaction. Let us discuss some more examples of combination reactions. First one, burning of coal. That is the reaction of carbon with oxygen. And we will get only one product, that is carbon dioxide. And the next one is formation of water from H2 and O2. Here we can see that hydrogen and oxygen combine together and we will get only one product. In simple language, we can say that when two or more substances combine to form a single product, the reactions are called combination reactions. One homework, find out more examples for combination reactions.